guys, it's Steph here at FlowerFanatic. So I just want to get on here real quick and recommend some beautiful annuals that thrive in the heat, the drier weather. We have summers with 100+ degree temperatures. For last year, it was 30 days straight and not a lot of rain or not a lot of humidity. And these plants always do so well. So I have a bunch of flats hanging out in my yard. There's actually about 10,000 that need to be planted. And so these combinations are gorgeous and they love the full sun, they love the heat, and they're a little bit more drought tolerant. So let's take a look at them. Look how beautiful these are. So we'll talk about the Victoria Blue Sage. This is also a salvia, an annual salvia. It loves it here, and the flowers are so vibrant and blue, and they're really heavy producers. So I'm actually gonna plant these with some of my hydrangeas, and then at the front edge of the border, these are the Profusion Zinnias. Look at that beautiful mixed variety. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And look at it with that Victoria Blue Salvia. You cannot go wrong with these two combinations. I promise, if you are new to planting annuals, start out with these ones and you will succeed, because they really are some of the easiest ones to grow. So they only get 12 to 18 inches tall, and you can space them about 15 inches apart. These just take off, and once they take off, they just bloom endlessly. So I will definitely be putting these at the front edge of my border to fill in some space. Last but not least, let's look at the Verbena. Isn't this stunning? So this is the Endurascape dark purple. It spreads pretty nicely, so you want to space them about 18 inches apart, and they only get about 12 to 18 inches tall. So a good front edge of the border annual. The salvia is a little bit taller, and the zinnias and the verbena get about the same height. So anyways, these ones are just tough as nails, and I'm definitely excited to put them in my yard this year. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I really hope to see you in my next videos. Like I always say, have a great day gardening. We'll talk to you later. Bye.